Well, I went to the island today, and on the way back in, there's some vibration going on, and got it back to the house, and here's what we found. I don't think that's good. What we're gonna do now is take this all apart, take the lower unit off, and match it up and get a new one. All right, let's start. All right, so got the cowling off. So here's the first thing we're gonna do is, let me find it. Yep, that nut right there. Can't focus on it, can I? That nut there holds in the gear linkage, I guess you'd call it. You can see it on top. So you take that nut off, and then what that does, release, it's like a pin bolt, and then you pull that out, and then that way the lower unit will fall out freely. If not, it won't fall out, or it won't even drop. So I'll do that first. It's kind of the more pain in the butt to do. So, and this, I am on the left side of the motor with that bolt there. All right, so there's the hole. Here's the bolt pin, and it's a 10 millimeters what I used, and then at the end I used a flathead screwdriver to pull it out, and it's a pain in the butt. This is what I actually had to end up using, some contraption. Couldn't find my long extensions. Yeah, I got 3 together. All right, so that's off. And now trim this thing up and work on those bottom bolts. All right, so the other day I took this bolt out, which is this thing that I removed the other day. That's out of the way. Now what I'm going to do is, this is still good shape. Take the collar pin out. Take this, I don't know what that's called, but take that off. There's a nut behind it, and then this will come right off. All right, it's all done. Let's pull right off. And this is gonna come off. What do we got here? It's a little bearing, and then as you can see, how bad shape this is in. It's bent. Yep. Not pretty. The lower unit up. So we got 1 here, and these 4. And this thing will literally fall right down. All right, use the 5/8 socket, and there's that bolt. And I was wrong. This bolt here holds in the corrosion piece. We'll have to take this one out, which is, I believe it's a 9/16. Well, all right. This bolt was a pain in the butt. I had to do a 9/16 with, just kept spraying it with blaster, and then I had to get a pry bar, that one, to escort it the rest of the way out. Man, that was a tough one. But I got those 2 out. That's off already. Now just these 4. All right, I took out those 2 fairly easy. I'm using my 9/16 ratchet wrench. I already broke them loose, but they're pretty easy. I'm gonna leave this one in I'm not going to take it all the way out, but you can see already it's splitting. It's coming apart already. Let me Oh yeah, it's gonna come off. So I'm gonna pull that the rest of the way out. Now I'm gonna take some pictures of this thing and match it up with some ones that are for sale on eBay. Put it back on. Ordered the lower unit. Didn't hear back from anybody. And the weekend came and gone. Boom! Oh yeah, came in today. Yeah. Check it out. Alright, got it unboxed and everything looks about the same. Got some friends there that he must have had to clean out. Can't leave them. But what I do notice is spinning there, no wobble. This is a little bit. We could bend that back. I'm not gonna do it today. Weather's bad. So I'll start it up again once I get working on it. All right. All right, so you have three things we gotta watch. This is the water pump where it pumps water up, the drive shaft, and then basically the gear shift. Pump, drive shaft, and the gear shift. Yeah, we're gonna put this thing on. All right, well, it's 9:45. Just got done putting the lower unit back on. What a pain in the butt, but it's done. I don't know if it works yet, so I have to, it's too late to fire it up tonight, so I'm gonna fire it up tomorrow, see if it'll spin, see if it'll pump water, all that stuff. All right, back at this thing. So as you can see, all on, mounted up good, nice and easy. Prop went on good. My problem was obviously that pain in the butt bolt. Couldn't get that on, but it's on and lubed up. I'm gonna fire it up and see this thing spin. All right, well, the as you can see in the video, the water's pumping out very good, good stream. I put it in forward and it engaged in gear and spun real good. I put it reverse, same thing, no vibration. Yeah. Put a little coat of paint on it. This thing's ready for water tests. Yeah, buddy. We're in the water. This thing moving, see what happens.